This Thursday, there is a real bad news for stock investors. Inflation in the US is seen accelerating. Year over year, consumer prices increased by 3% versus 2.9% forecast. The US CPI, retail inflation, rose more than expected in January. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests investors are likely to grapple with mounting fears over the headlines related to Trump's tariffs, which are set to further cloud the inflation outlook. Long story short, Fed Chair Jerome Powell's cautious stance on interest rates is justified. Amidst this backdrop, Wall Street indices and GIFT Nifty slipped hard, indicating another round of dubbing for Nifty and its stocks. Market trends. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 4969 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 5929 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating lower high-low on the daily charts. FNO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 14.89 levels. At last check, USD INR was witnessing some profit booking, now at 86.96. Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.94 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.79. Nifty outlook. Nifty may receive fresh round of drubbing. We suspect any intraday recovery could simply turn to dust. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23045. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 22,787 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 23,207 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 22750 and 23150. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 49479. Bank Nifty's make or break support seen at 48,700 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 50,000 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 48,500 and 49900. Bias for the day is negative. Need to know? Well, there is pessimism all over Dalal Street amidst fear that more tremors could be witnessed if Nifty slips and closes below its biggest psychological support at 23,000 mark. Nifty got a rough start as this calendar year 2025 Nifty is down 2.54%. The negative takeaway is that Nifty is still way 12.5% down from its all-time high at 26,277.35, which it hit in September 2024. Nifty midcap is down 16.5% from its all-time high, while Nifty small cap is down 18.9%. The two biggest negative catalysts. 1. Haunting Indian investors' sentiments are the total FII selling, which has crossed over 1 lakh crore this calendar year 2025. 2. Trump's tariff threat continues to be the front pages. Technically, confirmation of strength only above Nifty's biggest hurdles at 24,048 mark, which is also the benchmark's 200 DMA. Bottom line, caution will continue to be the buzzword, with Nifty's downside risk seen at 22787. Amongst stock-specific news, ONGC is planning to invest ₹1 trillion $11.5 billion to build a renewable portfolio of 10 gigawatts by 2030, marking the 100% increase from ₹10 billion in the current fiscal year. The corporate India's Q3 earnings to trickle in today. Hindalco, United Breweries, Ipca Lab, SJVN, Deepak Nitrite, Godfrey Phillips.